Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn projects section with Jira case summaries, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your LinkedIn projects section with Jira case summaries, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down to the projects section of your profile. If the projects section is not visible, click on the Add Profile Section button. Under Accomplishments, select Projects to add the section. Once the Projects section is open, click on the plus icon to add a new project. In the project name field, enter a title that reflects the Jira case you want to showcase. Next, you'll need to summarize the project in the description field. Use concise language to outline the key objectives and results of the Jira case. Focus on specific contributions you made and any collaborative efforts involved. If applicable, include the team members who worked on the project by typing their names in the associated with field. Now, insert any relevant links to the Jira case or to a portfolio showcasing the project's outcome. Make sure the links are functional and direct viewers to the right resources. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, review it for clarity and accuracy. Ensure that your descriptions highlight your role effectively and demonstrate your skills. When you're satisfied with the details, click the Save button to add the project to your profile. Repeat this process for any additional Jira cases you want to include in your projects section. After completing all entries, revisit your profile to check how the projects section appears to viewers. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure consistency and professionalism across all project summaries. With that, your LinkedIn projects section is successfully restored with Jira case summaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.